Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to the channel. My name is ShardeMarie. If you are new here, welcome. And as you guys can tell from the title of this video, we are doing our May BoxyCharm unboxing. So hopefully this time around, this box is 10 times better than April, because as y'all know, April was just a flop on the BoxyCharm's part when it came to their products. It was just not a very good box. So hopefully May is 10 times better. So if you're interested in seeing what I got in my BoxyCharm for this month, then continue to keep watching. Alright guys, so let's hop into what I got for May in my BoxyCharm. As you guys can tell, partially my makeup is done just because I already peeked inside of this box, so I already know what I need to use and what I don't need to use. So yeah, let's just hop into it. So the theme of the box is flourish, because it is May. As you guys know, the saying is April showers bring May flowers. So yeah, it's flourish is the theme. So the first thing in the box is, I think everybody got this in their box this month, or maybe they chose it for their box this month. I'm not really sure, but I was so excited to get this because I was just saying to myself how I needed a nighttime moisturizer, because the moisturizer that I use during the daytime is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. And I love it. It definitely keeps my skin moisturized, but it's very lightweight. I needed something thicker. So I'm so happy I got this in my box this month. This is from Murad and is the Environmental Shield City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. Did y'all just hear my little country accent come out? So yeah, technically this is step 3. So there's 2 other steps that you do before you use this moisturizer, but obviously it came in a BoxyCharm, so you want to use it with the rest of your skincare, and you use it at night and you massage evenly over face, neck, and the chest. So I will be testing this out later on tonight to see how I like it. Of course it's skincare, so I have to use it over time to see any difference, but I love when I get skincare in my BoxyCharm. And this retails for $74, so that's even more than what you're paying for the box. Alright, so next in the box, I didn't see anybody get this in their box, truth be told, but I got the Lavish Essential Eye Collection, and this retails for $30. So it's a 5-piece eye set, so we'll be using these today, and they're just cute little green and yellow eye sets. This is what they look like. And they feel super soft, especially the like the blending brushes. Only one that seems kind of hard is this brush here, which you can use for eyeliner or to define your under eyes or whatever, you know. Technically, I feel like brushes, you can use them for whatever the hell you want to use them for. So yeah, we'll be testing these out today. Next in the box, I got the Sofia and Mabel Hydrating Hybrid 2-in-1 Lipstick Balm in the color Weekend Getaway. So this is the color. So I picked the right shirt so it can match. So this is what that looks like. And this is the color swatched. So this is a very nighttime vampy type of color. So I mean, do I consider wearing this during the springtime? Probably not, but maybe at night it will be fine. You can always lighten this up with a lighter lip gloss or something like that. So you know, that's a suggestion. So next in the box, I got this Ciate London Bamboo Bronzer. So we got a bronzer. Oh, I didn't tell you guys how much the hybrid thing was. So the Sofia and Mabel lipstick is $15. And the Ciate London Bamboo Bronzer is $28. It comes in this cute little packaging. And this is the color right here. So I don't know if this is too light for me. So we're going to test that out right now. Let me find my favorite bronzer brush. So I have this brush here that I've used to bronze and contour my face every single time from BH Cosmetics. It is the 125 brush. So we're gonna load this baby on. There's no smell, and it does have a little, and it is kind of powdery, so be aware of that. But I do like how it comes with a mirror, so you can use this on the go. It's not bad. It is a little red for my liking, but initially when I opened up the box and looked at it, I felt like it was going to be too light for me. But actually, I think it's a good color for me. Like I said, it is a tad bit red, so if you're my skin tone, then you know, just tread lightly with it, because you don't look like you sunburned. But you know, not bad of a color. So I actually originally was going to give this to my sister, but I think I'm gonna keep that for myself. And last but not least, in the box, we got the Cab Cosmetics Day and Night eyeshadow palette, and this retails for $52. And I've seen a lot of people get this in their box as well. I only watched 2 people's videos, so let me stop saying I've seen a lot. I only seen 2 people BoxyCharm unboxing, that is Kathleen Lights and Manny and Getaway. But yeah, so this is what the packaging looks like. It is, you know, packaging not $52 worth, but we shall see what the other stuff looks like. And this is the palette. It does give me Huda Beauty vibes, like the Dust to Dawn vibes. That's what it's giving me. And from my understanding, they're roughly around the same price. So yeah, I don't know what we're going to do. Probably stick to the warm tones. There's not really that much colors in here except for like the 2 purples. But yeah, I'm going to test these out, put on the lipstick, and put on this, and just see what we can do. So yeah, enjoy this little trying on portion.
Searching for the way to go, searching for the light to show. If I only knew I missed your shadow. Searching for the way to go, searching for the light to show. If I only knew I missed your shadow.
Alright, so I finished up my eyes and my face off camera, and this is definitely nighttime. This is definitely fall time, but I think I would still wear it during the spring and summertime, because why the hell not? Especially with the burnt orange, mustard yellows, you know, all those type of colors. You can wear them during the summertime as well. You can always just pair it with lighter pieces, or in this case makeup, pair it with something lighter, you know what I mean? So I love everything about this look. I think it came out perfectly. Now my only issue was with the eye that you guys saw me put the burnt orange on. It was kind of skipping, so it wasn't going on as smoothly as possible. So I don't know if it was the eye primer that I used, if it was the Vidyard eye primer, or was it the shadow? I'm not sure. So next time that I use this palette again, I'm going to actually set my eyes before I apply the shadows over top, because maybe that primer is one of those where you need to set the primer first before you add on your powder. So yeah. So the last thing that I had to test out is the lip balm. Like I said, this is from Sofia and Mabel. Yeah, Sofia and Mabel, and this is in the shade We Can Get Away. I'm not going to line my lips. I'm just going to put it on there. Oh, this is perfect. If you just do one swipe and just block your lips, it actually comes off with a sheer tint where it's not too bold the way that it looks inside of the packaging. And you would think like this is a bold color, like I said, but if you swipe on your lips like 2-3 times, then yeah, it's going to get as bold as you want. But if you want something, just a sheer coat of color, just do one swipe and block. And oh, this is so cute. I love it. I love it. This is so cute. So yeah, you guys, that is everything I got in my box this month. And I can tell you already, this box is so much better than the box in April. I don't know what the deal was, what was going on, what was the issue, but April box needs a redo. It needs a redo. But this box, they definitely made up for it. So let's talk about my faves. Like I said, I can't tell you about the skincare yet because I have to test it out. So I can't say anything about that. Personally, what shocked me, where is it? Oh, right. Personally, the item that shocked me the most was this bronzer, because I literally thought this bronzer was too light for me, because I I swatched it on my hand before I recorded this video, and I really thought this bronzer was way too light, but it fits me perfectly. Like I said, it's a little bit red, but it fits me perfectly. So truth be told, this is probably my favorite item. The one that shocked me the most, because I really thought this was way too light for me. The eye collection brushes from Lavish was cute. You know, they did what they need to do. The only thing, like I said earlier, this brush is a little bit stiff for my liking, but I mean, I'm still use it. Whatever, but the rest of the brushes worked just fine. They were able to apply the color on my lids perfectly fine, as you guys can see, and I didn't have to use any other brushes to create this look. You can use just these looks just to create this eye look, and it came out perfect. The Cab Cosmetics Day and Night palette is cute. I don't think it's $52 worth cute, but you know, it's cute, and I'm glad it came in the BoxyCharm, because I personally don't think it's a color story that I would go for normally. And please don't mind this one in Golden Hour and Burgundy. I freaking nicked it when I was trying to use the daggone palette, but everything came out so beautiful. The color Stella, which is the glitter here that I used all over the lid, it didn't even need no water. You just swipe it on with your fingers, with your brush. I used the brush because I got long nails, and it just came out so freaking cute. I love everything about it. And I used golden hour in the corners and a little bit on the, what is this called? Not waterline, but the lower lash line, and it just fit perfectly. I like this palette. Don't love it, but I like it, and I'm going to keep it and continue to keep using it. And lastly, the Sofia and Mabel lip balm. Like I said, if you do one swipe and just blot your lips, you can get a beautiful sheer color that you can wear during the daytime. And then, of course, if you want to vamp it up a little bit, I would line my lips with a darker brown lip liner and do another swipe. And then if you just want a tinge of lightness, just use a nude lip gloss or nude lipstick if you have it, just to lighten it up a little bit. But I think if you could do one swipe, I think it's good to go. So let's add this all up and see how much all of this costs. So this, wait, I feel like I was missing something. Nope, I was right. So this month box was $199. So basically $200, and you get this box for $25 a month. So this month I think the box was absolutely worth it because I really enjoyed every single item. Like I said, except for the skincare because I can't try it out yet. But I really enjoyed every single item. I definitely can see me using every single item in my everyday routine from here on out. So yes, you guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for the support, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.